Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bukomi. In this video, I want to show you how to start selling digital products on Etsy or on whatever marketplace you're looking to sell. I'll show you where to get the digital products from and how to get started. Okay, let's get right into it. So this is Etsy, and if I come in here and I type in digital products, digital planner. Digital products are really selling well right now. That's planners, journals, digital downloads, printables, and all of that. But we're checking out planners. Let's see this one. You can see all the ratings these different stores have had, and you can see all of that. You can take a look by yourself. You really don't need a tool to check what's selling on Etsy if you don't want to. You can just come in here and just find it yourself. So digital planners, you're just going to go to one that you think is selling okay. Okay, this is an all-in-one digital bundle, and it sells for £7.26. If I take a look at this store, you can see how many sales this store has had. If I take a look at the store, so this is the store, this is the sales, the total sales, and you can see they have 172 products on the store. Looks like they only sell digital products. I mean, you can create this easily if you decide to create 10 digital products every day, and you should get to this number in like 17 days. And I mean, it's just as easy as that. That's how I set goals. Just break it into small pieces like that, and you're able to achieve what it is you want to achieve. Yeah, so just taking a look at this store. This store is doing really well, and they sell just digital products, digital and printable products to help organize and structure your life. So let's take a look at this one. This is an all-in-one digital bundle. Now, if you're thinking, how do I get started with this? If you have an Etsy store and you're looking to start selling, or you're looking to create an Etsy store, I'll leave a link to Etsy in my description. If you don't have an Etsy store and you're looking to get started, you get 40 free listings if you do use that link. So please do use that link, and I'll get 40 free listings also. So thank you. So if you're looking to get started and you don't know where to get the planners from, this is Creative Fabrica. This is a very, very handy tool and a very useful platform that can help you get started. So here you have loads and loads of digital products and printables, downloadables that you can actually customize and make your own and sell. So it makes the work easy, and it just easy to get started with. So you can sell fonts and you know, all sorts of things, stickers. There's so many things to sell here, guys. You can get started for free. I'll leave a link to a free trial in my description so you can check it out. You also have a section here where you can download everything in this section for free, and guys, there are loads of stuff here, so you might want to check that out. I'll leave a link to Creative Fabrica in my description. So I want to check out digital planners. Let's see what we have here. All-in-one digital planner. Let's check this ultimate digital planner bundle. Okay, so this is an ultimate digital planner bundle. So I once watched someone's video, and they advised that it's better to start with a bundle because you have so much in that bundle. If you actually start with a bundle and you list this on your Etsy store, then you can then start bringing out everything in this bundle and list them individually on your store, if that makes sense. So this is a bundle that includes 8 planners undated. You can see all that it includes here. So you have the fitness and health, 6 trackers, finance, 6 trackers, wellness, productivity, lifestyle, project. All of this is included in this planner. You can favorite this here, add it to your favorite if you're looking to come back to check it out later. You can check this store. You can check the store here. This is the person who designed this planner. If you want to see what else they have, you can check it here. You can follow the designer here. Very importantly, guys, I need to mention here that you need to know what is included in your license. Okay, so this is a commercial license. It has a commercial license. You can see here commercial usage allowed, but you need to understand how these licenses work. So what you need to do is to come here and read about our license, click on that, and subscription license, click on this and see what you're allowed to do and what you're not allowed to do with everything you get on Creative Fabrica. So you see, you're allowed to do all of this, you're not allowed to do all of this. So you can't resell, you can't convert individual font, letters and all of that. Just come in here and read, make sure you read everything, so you're not getting yourself into trouble. And just make sure you're following their guidelines and make sure you're doing the right thing, guys. So for different categories, you see physical end product, what you're allowed to do, digital end products, what you're allowed to do. I think there's a section for print on demand. So you actually cannot just come into Creative Fabrica and lift a design as is without making it your own. So if, for example, if you downloaded this bundle of flowers or from Creative Fabrica, you can't just take one of it like this and slap it on a product and make it your own, because you haven't done anything to make it your own. Actually, you need to combine it with other elements and just use it well and create something different out of it. So that's how that works. And for print on demand, the same thing. You have the things you're allowed to use to do with it and the things you're not allowed to do with them. So for example, if you're looking to put this on a mug, you are not allowed to just take it and slap it on a mug like that. You need to make it your own. So that is that. Just make sure you come in here and read what you're allowed to do, because that is the first place to get started, so you don't get in trouble, because you're actually listing this item on Etsy or other places and you're reselling it. You need to be very sure of what you're allowed to do. Yes, so that being said, you can then come in here after getting the license out of the way, come in here, download it and edit it to make your own. A lot of us use Canva, so I'll come in here and just type in Canva templates. So you'd see loads and loads of Canva templates that you can actually edit. The different things you can edit in Canva. You can see the total number of results found for stuff you can edit in Canva. So if you do have Canva and you want to get templates and different stuff here that you can actually download and upload into your Canva to edit quickly, then this might be for you. Let's take a look at this Canva templates. So it has planners, journal, tracker, logbook. So you see 50 editable Canva templates. It includes yoga journal, weight loss planners, all of this. So it includes all of this. So you have 50. So this is a bundle. You actually can create something like this with Canva and just go into Etsy and make it like a planner, an ultimate digital planner, a bundle, and then you are able to sell it at this kind of price. You're able to sell it at a good price. This store is actually discounting this one. It's £14, but it's on discount currently, 50% off. So ordinarily this would sell for £14.51p. So you can do that and just make sure that you edit it in Canva, create it and make it your own. So all you need to do is to come in here and download it. If I download this now, so it's going to download in a zip file. Okay, so I'm just going to open this up. Okay, I'm going to extract it. Make sure you extract it. Okay. Okay, so this is the PDF the designers attached to the listing. You should be able to download, you should be able to open this directly here in your Canva. So these are the stuff that are included. Let's see. So to access your file, you need do not need Pro. You can find the name and it will open. Okay, so we're supposed to like click on each of it and it will open up in Canva. So if I say use template, let me see. Okay, so this is a yoga journal. You can see the interior here. Let me blow this up a little bit. So this is the interior. Let me show you all 20 pages. So all you need to do, guys, is to come in here and just make this your own. Come in here and just edit this. So if I wanted to delete all of this, I don't want this. May replace the background. I'm going to use this one. I can't like this one. Okay, this is Pro. You can see it's highlighted in Pro, but because I have Canva Pro, I'm able to use it. Okay, if you're selling templates, you should use the free one because not everybody would have Canva Pro. Okay, let me use one of the free one actually. So this is free, so let's use this one. Okay, try and get rid of all of this stuff here, guys. I'll try and move as quickly as I'm able to. Okay, I'm just gonna put this here and I'll drag it out here. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna drag it out all the way. So I'll get a box. I could drag out the box here. Okay, and just put it here. Let me see. Let me try and blow this out a little. Okay, so guys, we're trying to just change the cover and make this our own. Okay, so yoga. I'm gonna change the fonts. Let me see something fun here. Let's see season. Okay, so that's gonna be that, and I'm gonna change the color to white. Okay, so yoga journal. You can change this if you want to. Let's increase the size. Make sure this box is well centered. That's the original box. Okay, so it's well centered. Now I'm gonna drag this here and bring this down here. So I have actually just changed the cover. That's all I did here. So I have made this my own. You can just do something as simple as that to make that your own. Okay, and for the interior, you can decide to change the color of the background. Okay, what I'll do, I will change this color here to let me see, I'm going to change to something sweet. Yeah, I like that color. And you can then come in here to change all. So wherever you see this color, wherever this color appears on the page, like here, it's going to change everything to this color. So I'll say change all. And if you then look at your pages, let me blow this up. I see all 20 pages. Then you can see that it's changed to that color. Or okay, let me try something else. Okay, because we're working with this color, let's change this interior to I'm just going to use the color picker here to select the color I want. Oops, let's see. Okay, I'll use the color picker. Pick something lighter. Let's say this one. Yes. Okay, so we're going to change all. Perfect. So if I come to all 20 pages, so you can see we have created a yoga journal different from what we downloaded, and you've just made this your own. So that is, you could just make tweaks like that. That's simple to make it your own and, you know, create something from it. So what you need to do next then is you need to download all these pages. Okay, download it, and you then come in here and upload it here onto your Etsy. Now I'm not going to do that in this video, okay, because I don't want this video to be too long, because I still want to show you how to create the markup. Now you see this digital product has beautiful markups. You can see this video is, you need to have videos on Etsy because it helps your product, what your listing stand out actually. So you just need to just bring, you know, your planners together here in Canva, create something like this in Canva, okay, and just animate it. So when you animate it, it turns it into a video. You can see all the stuff they have here, okay. So you can also come into Creative Fabrica and check out, let's see, I'll just put in Etsy Etsy listing markup. Let's see if I get something with that. Okay, so you see 60 listing markup here. I'm going to click on that. Okay, so you can come in here, you can see what the markup looks like. You can come in here and download this. Okay, you can see you can download it into Canva and edit it. So what you need to do is come on in here, then put your title and whatever it is you want to write. Okay, then these are frames where you can put your downloaded pages of your planners. Okay, so for example, if I wanted to put one on here, I'll just quickly do just one of this for you guys because I like to show you how this can be done. So if I go to uploads, I should have some planners here I have uploaded. Let's see. Okay, so these are some pages that I have. So you just drag it on here and put it here. Okay, you can see that now. I'm going to drag another page and put it here. So you just fill it up, edit it, download it, okay, and then come into Etsy and create your listing and upload it. It's as simple as that. Okay, if you have any question for me, guys, drop it in the comment section below. If you want me to walk you through step by step, okay, step by step tutorial of how you can pick a product in Creative Fabrica, download it, edit it in Canva, and create a listing on Etsy, please drop me a comment in the section below, and I'd love to create one for you. Okay, I'm trying to not make this video too long, guys, but I hope you get the gist and I hope you understand what I'm trying to show you in this video. Okay guys, so that'll be all for this video. Remember, if you want to try out Creative Fabrica, make sure you click the link in my description. You'll find how to get the free trial and you can get started with that. Remember to check out the license and see what you're able to do with it. Like I showed you here, you can use the interior as they are. Just make sure that you edit it, okay? Edit it and make it your own. So I have changed this now. There cannot be two of this anywhere else, okay? And I mean, even if there's two, this is mine. I did this, so this is mine. So just make sure you create it and make it your own, okay? And then you're ready to upload it, download it, zip it up and upload it to your Etsy store and start selling. Then create the other ones, and before you know it, you have your store up and running and ready to start making sales. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me to the end of another video. If you find this useful, please give it a thumbs up, okay? Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for staying with me to the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.